the best for this vacancy, and thank you for watching. Title: Compliance Associate I. Date of posting of job: May 20th, 2025. Location: New Brunswick, Ohm. Company: Ohm Laboratories Inc., USA. Sun Pharma is the world's fourth largest generics company with presence in specialty, generics and consumer healthcare products. Supported by more than 40 manufacturing facilities, we provide high-quality medicines, trusted by healthcare professionals and patients, to more than 100 countries across the globe. Over the last 2 decades, Sun Pharma has established itself as a leading player in the generics market in the US, and we are rapidly ramping up our presence in the specialty branded market with a focus on dermatology, ophthalmology, and onco-dermatology. Job summary: the QA Compliance Associate will be responsible for vendor management, quality agreements, internal/corporate audits and cGMP compliance-related activities. Ensure processes are followed for the activities and tasks with appropriate documentation. Schedule: Monday, Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Area of responsibility: actively communicate with customers to facilitate continuous process improvement, for example. Work with different vendors and customers to ensure quality agreements are in place and revised, if needed. Maintain and track quality agreements for revision before the validity period expires, etc. Work with the corporate vendor management team to assess the annual risk of the approved vendor list. Planning and execution of the site self-inspection program. Responsible for follow-up and tracking of regulatory, customer and corporate audit observation responses, including closing of CAPAs and other action items. Manage the implementation and execution of global CAPA assessments assigned by the corporate quality team. Coordinate with cross-functional team to perform gap assessments and manage the implementation of global procedures at site, including FDA guidance documentation. Work closely with cross-functional team and QA management to ensure compliance activities. Perform specific assigned tasks and work related to QA processes assigned by the supervisor/manager. Work conditions. The work environment characteristics described here are representative of those an employee encounters while performing the essential functions of this job in an office, lab, or manufacturing environment. The noise level in the work environment is usually moderate. Physical requirements. The physical demands described here are representative of those that must be met by an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of this job. Reasonable accommodations may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. While performing the duties of this job, the employee is regularly required to use hands to handle or feel and talk or hear. The employee is frequently required to stand, walk, sit, stoop, kneel, crouch, crawl, push, and bend. Must be capable of bending and lifting, moving, and/or carrying up to approximately 20 pounds. Ability to navigate office, lab, and/or plant floor working environments, stands, ambulates, and reaches. Must have the ability to wear applicable personal protective equipment utilized at the site, including but not limited to respirators, safety glasses/goggles, and safety shoes. Travel estimate: up to 0%. Education and job qualification. Minimum of bachelor's degree. Understanding of GMPs. Expertise in software applications such as MS Word, MS Excel, MS Office, Windows, PowerPoint, Microsoft Outlook, Acrobat Reader, TrackWise or similar QMS, LMS, Learning Management System, etc. Knowledge of project management principles, practices, techniques, and tools. Strong interpersonal and communication, both written and verbal, skills. Strong organizational and time management skills, must be able to prioritize and manage multiple assignments simultaneously. A self-starter with a hands-on approach and a can-do attitude. The requirement for English language proficiency for this job role is Intermediate B1+, comparable to global CEFR independent B1, level based on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, CEFR. Experience. Experience working in an international multicultural matrix organization. Actual base compensation may vary based on a number of factors, including but not limited to geographical location and experience. In addition, this position is part of the annual performance bonus plan, and may be eligible for the long-term incentive plan. Employees are eligible to participate in company employee benefit programs which include medical, dental and vision coverage, life insurance, disability insurance, 401k savings plan, flexible spending accounts, and the Employee Assistance Program. Employees also receive various paid time off benefits, including vacation time and sick time. The compensation and benefits described above are subject to the terms and conditions of any governing plans, policies, practices, agreements, or other materials or documents as in effect from time to time, including but not limited to terms and conditions regarding eligibility. If hired, employee will be in an at-will position and the company reserves the right to modify base salary, as well as any other discretionary payment or compensation program, at any time, including for reasons related to individual performance, company or individual department/team performance, and market factors. The preceding job description has been designed to indicate the general nature and level of work performed by employees within this classification. It is not designed to contain or be interpreted as a comprehensive inventory of all duties, responsibilities, and qualifications required of employees as assigned to this job. Nothing herein shall preclude the employer from changing these duties from time to time and assigning comparable duties or other duties commensurate with the experience and background of the incumbent. We provide equal employment opportunities for all current employees and applicants for employment. This policy means that no one will be discriminated against because of race, religion, creed, color, national origin, nationality, citizenship, ancestry, sex, age, marital status, physical or mental disability, affectional or sexual orientation, military or veteran status, generic predisposing characteristics or any other basis prohibited by law. Notice to agency and search firm representatives. Sun Pharmaceuticals, Sun, is not accepting unsolicited resumes from agencies and/or search firms for this job posting. Resumes submitted to any Sun employee by a third-party agency and/or search firm without a valid written and signed search agreement, will become the sole property of Sun. No fee will be paid if a candidate is hired for this position as a result of an unsolicited agency or search firm referral. The link to apply online and all important details are provided in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. All the best for this vacancy, and thank you for watching.